Introducing Serres Nemo, a new type of device that helps hospitals deal with liquid waste in a more hygienic and cost-efficient way. Serres Nemo is extremely easy to use and to maintain. After inserting the safety-capped suction bags, you close the lid and press the Start button. The sealed device allows bags to be emptied into the sewer without accidental spills. Next, the Nemo washing cycle automatically washes the empty suction bags to minimise staff exposure to hazardous fluids. The complete washing cycle is finished in only 18 seconds. The Nemo system is not only hygienic, but also cost-efficient. By rinsing the contents of the suction bags into the sewer, you only need to dispose of empty suction bags, rather than all the fluid waste. Disposing of 10,000 full 2-litre suction bags annually, for example, equals to 20,000 kilograms of waste disposal costs. With the Nemo, on the other hand, you are left with only 600 kilograms of waste, saving up to 95% by eliminating the unnecessary costs from waste handling, transportation and disposal. Serres Nemo, for safer, smarter and more cost-efficient fluid waste management in hospitals. Visit serres.com to find out more.